Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Indaba eziphumayo bafethu ezirepotwa ama-news outlets bathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayinalo iplan laka-Luke Batman at the moment. Kusho ukuthi kune-confusion from abo-coach laphana be-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi abazi ukuthi bamdlalise kuphi lo mdlali lona omncane. Cause siyazi ukuthi lo mdlali lona uyi-striker but at the same time u-quick, u-versatile, u-skillful, une-energy, uyakwazi nokudlala as i-wing but-ke i-position yakhe normally uyi-striker bafethu. I think ma-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs obviously under pressure ukuthi adeliver ama-results, so they wouldn't wanna maybe ukumnika isikhala manje umfana ukuthi adlale, maybe bamqalise even coming from the bench because of i-depth ku-Kaizer Chiefs ikhona, banawo ama-player amaningi, amanye futhi awakadlali even nama-senior players asuka kwamanye ama-team khona bangakadlali this season like aba-powerful. So as i-striker uBatman ukhompyutha nabantu abaserious ngempela laphana phambili, aboMayo, Ighodaro powerful bafethu. Can't wait to see him sibone ukuthi uKaizer Chiefs uzolethani ngempela. But-ke for now izinto esizwayo njengoba bengishilo bafethu ukuthi ba-undecided ukuthi uzodlala iphi position, but umbuzo ukuthi why would they sign umuntu abangazi ukuthi uzodlala kuphi, abanganalo i-plan ngaye bafethu? Kanti wobani abasayina ama-player? Angithi ama-player yes asayinwa i-team isikhathi esiningi but-ke baya-consulta namalokhunjana nama-coaches, and then ama-coach akhona ku-Kaizer Chiefs bewakhona already, baya-consulta nama-coaches basho ukuthi okay, yinayi i-profile yomuntu lesi esingakwazi ukumletha la ethimini, young, uyi-striker, u-versatile, whatever. So by the time afika sebayazi ukuthi i-profile le-player, this caliber of player, bakhulumile ngalo lelo player lelo, noma kungasi uBatman straight but-ke i-player licishe lifane noBatman because i-team mayikhipha ithi ifuna i-player iyachaza ukuthi sifuna i-player elinje nenje nakanje, elimitha lezinto lezi ama-qualities lawa nalawa nalawa, and then balitholeke i-player. Cause no-coach naba-remember kwi-interview yakhe wayejabula ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukusayina ama-player, i-management ukumlethela ama-player but-ke siyazi ukuthi akawatholanga ama-player wakhe lawa ko-Tanzania, but yeah, be-appreciate-a ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs they've done really well in terms of kumakhethi, nanokuthi baletha ama-player azokwazi ukubhifa up i-team, nanokuthi ayenze i-team kube ne-depth like i-team ibe strong. Kusho ukuthi i-confusion njengoba ngishilo ukuthi abazi ukuthi udlale wide, adlale ezi-number 9 or adlale ezi-supporting laphana support i-striker or abe imuva kwesinye i-striker, asazi ngempela. But-ke mawuyi-coach e-serious, uyi-coach e-right, uyakwazi ukumbona umfana ukuthi angafitha kuphi. I mean we've seen this thing emathimini amaningi, even uDove ku-Kaizer Chiefs bekadlala, simazi uDove nge-left back but guess what, Kaizer Chiefs naku back 4 bekakhona because bene-energy ne-bravado persona ne-strength laphana, so he was able to fit kuma-different positions laphana. Mayiplayer mele ube versatile at the same time, no-coach mele abone ukuthi okay, uNkuli ukwazi ukudlala le position le kakhulu, but mina ngibona ngathi ile angafitha kuyo, and kuya ngama-systems we-coach ukuthi o-coach badlala ama-systems kanjani, and then overall-ke i-player, you get the best out of i-player because i-player akusi-robot ukuthi kumele ame endaweni eyodwa, uma engadlalanga kule position akadlali, kumele abe versatile ukuthi akwazi ukucontribute overall ethimini. I mean masibheka bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs, I think they've lost obviously i-identity yabo ne-system yabo kumele badlale ngayo because of mawuyibuka i-Kaizer Chiefs you don't know what to expect really, you don't see ama-pattern owabonayo a-good. Sengisho ukuthi so ama-winger wabo if bekumele kube ama-winger powerful, you don't know ukuthi who will inspire i-Kaizer Chiefs to ukuthi ithole ama-results, cause ama-winger kumele i-team i-decide ukuthi ifuna ukudlala ngama-winger, ifuna ukudlala ngama-midfielders kakhulu, or khona i-department okumele ibe strong. Yiphi i-department e-strong laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs makuyiwa phambili? Cause bonke they're performing below pair. I think i-defense e-strong ku-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke midfielder, attacking midfielder nama-winger ne-striker bakatholi leyo balance leyo overall. That is why i-player elifana nolokhunjana noBatman kuzoba nzima ukuthi bavele balilahlele nje ethimini, bamdlalise umfana because of they are lacking that true identity, what separates Kaizer Chiefs from amanye ama-team inside the field of play. Kumele sazi ukuthi the attacking team, catching teams on transition, badlala liphi ibhola silibone ukuthi okay, this is their best football, this is their identity, that's what we must see. uMax Maponyane ukhuluma ngaleyo nto leyo naye, so ekhuluma indaba yokuthi akayiboni i-confidence laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because of i-Kaizer Chiefs ilona bafethu i-confidence into ebaluleke kakhulu By the way, confidence ibuya from i-structure ne-consistency. They don't have i-structure ne-consistency. Mangithi consistency, I'm talking about them winning matches. Badlale kahle. I mean, they've played what, 12 games, bawina amagame awungaka awu-4 if angenzi iphutha kulama 12 games. Ama-draws amaningi, draw. It's not like they're losing game, no, but they're dropping unnecessary points. Ama-points ekungamelanga bafowethu bawadrobhe laphana. So that is why abantu abafana nabo Max Maponyane mabakhuluma ngendaba yokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukukhompyutha kwabo for i-league ayikuzoba nzima kakhulu, because of if awukwazi ukwenza like ama-basic rights, kuchaza ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi nileka ini. uMax Maponyane ukhuluma indaba yokuthi baleke i-organization overall. So i-organization bafethu, it's not all about i-defending nje kuphela bafethu, njengoba ngithi i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs I concede that much amagoli this season so far. So it's about i-structure se-team yonke into nibe no-organize, ni-understandane different phases of the game bafethu, nazi ukuthi okay, ni-builder from the back, ni-pressa kanjani i-transition yenu, then ni-recover kanjani, nisizana kanjani as i-team overall. So lapho kuyakwazi ukwabona ama-differences ukuthi okay, compared to amanye i-Kaizer Chiefs, njengoba bengishilo i-Pirates eseyisikhukhuni, i-Kaizer Chiefs siyayibona i-identity yabo ukuthi nayi and badlala this kind of football. So yeah, all over the place nabo bafethu. That is why uMax Maponyane mekhuluma laphana ethi babonile bedlala namaZulu and wathi ikoko, is that all you can do? Kusho uthi hayi ukuthi uyabadelela, but-ke nje beka-disappointed abadlala ngakhona. They created opportunities, yes, but I mean, like, they have to have their own thing bafethu. They have to stand out. By Kaizer Chiefs, at the end of the day, the players have to be willing to die for the team. Baproduce ama-results, baphushe ngempela bafethu, hayi indaba yokudlala. Manje abanye becabanga ukuthi i-team ibenzele i-favor ngokubadlalisa. Phela umuntu uyambona uma umbhekile ukuthi lo akamiselanga ngalutho. So uzoba yi-success kanjani umuntu ongamiselanga ngalutho bafethu ethimini, or odlala ngathi ufuna yena ukuncengwa? Hayi bo. So mentally, the players have to be really, really strong and to fight for one another. Most importantly, to fight for the team. Namhlanje it's another day esobukela yona i-Kaizer Chiefs, sibone ukuthi izokwazi ukuthola ama-results. The biggest thing I'm anticipating is starting lineup se-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kuzodlala obani, nanokuthi-ke ngeke bacindezeleke nabo na, cause angithi bathanda i-social media manje, so babona everything ku-social media, and then lezo zinto ezinye zezinto lapha zibaphathi kahle, and then bafuna ukublame abanye abantu. No, forget about social media, just focus on umsebenzi wakho kuphela, deliver ama-results, that's it. Okunye okwenzakala ku-social media ukuthi abantu bathini ayingaku-affect leyo nto kakhulu. But uyi-professional footballer, unomsebenzi olula, well, not really ukuthi ulula, but abantu basebenza kanzima for nothing. Wena you are traveling, uyandiza, uyale nale, umsebenzi wakho nje ukuperforma for 90 minutes, they say 2 times a week kuphela. So they have to come out strong, they have to be like i-coach. Yabona, ngivale ngale ndaba le kaBatman, ama-coach kumele abhilivele emaplayeni bafowethu, cause manje if uyacoacha but awathemba ama-player wakho, what's the use-ke ukuthi ama-player abesethimini yakho abe azi kamhlophe ama-player ukuthi coach akasithembi, ucoach inini, but na, themba ama-player wakho, ube ne-confidence. Bangasho lento le ukuthi abakazi ukuthi bazomdlalisa kuphi, bathi uboost i-confidence yeplayer ukuthi so-introduce kancane kancane laba bangadlali, uzusho nokuthi uthi iplayer li-good, but ama-results wale, let's say ukhuluma naye personal ukuthi ama-results awakabi khona mfana, yabona ukuthi una-19 or unangaki, angifuni ukukuphosela e-deep end because of lento le, uthole ukuthi awuperform kahle ingakubulala completely. So ufuna uku-introduce kancane kancane kahle kanjalo nje bafowethu, but-ke still bona bayahluleka ukwenza into encane futhi elula. But-ke they have a chance namhlanje uku-rectify amaphutha wabo ukuthi bakwazi ukulwa ngempela, ukuthola ama-results. Sibafisela inhlanhla, sithemba ukuthi ama-co-coaches e-Kaizer Chiefs azokwazi ukuthola ama-results. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Asikho kude bafethu, siku-13,000 something, asiphusheni.